What's going on, you guys? About to start this trip to Las Vegas. It's like minus probably 20 degrees up here in Chicago, so I got to go to the desert and get away from this cold weather. There's the cameraman. Look, camera. What's going on, y'all? First time flying. We out of here. His first time flying right there. Yep. He'll be ready. We out. We out. You gonna win us some money?
Yes, sir.
You gonna win us some money, man?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm running from the cold, y'all. Even on the walkway to get to the plane, it's freezing out here. But I left my winter coat in the car because I'm going to Vegas.
And those windows are easy.
On the plane, it's time to go. How you feeling over there, Devon?
So if you want
How you feeling by the window, man?
Alright, man.
You gonna make it over there?
We can do this, man. Right by the window.
We're chilling, man.
Once again, this
Alright,
link is
I'm good.
100% full.
Alright. Just know on the other side is the turnout. We should have been turned up already. We're a little late. We're a little late with the turnout. And you got us in the hype section over here.
I'm just trying to get food out.
Got us in the hype section over here. So I got my camera. It's a camera. What's going on? What's going on? It's a camera. It's a selfie stick. It's a camera, selfie stick. Video. On our way out here. All the way out. They hype on here. I ain't that hype, you know. Just had a Bloody Mary, you know, a tall Bloody Mary, that's all. I ain't getting nothing else, you know. That's about it. So. Uh-oh, it says it's gonna be like soul playing on here. I thought I was going to sleep. I thought I was going to sleep.
We got past the
Oh my God, it's turned up here. They turned up.
Tanika, yo.
Tanika. We out here.
It's gonna be good.
Got my crystals with me. Check that out.
You changed her name to Floppy Top.
Flight on the starboard for pushback and cross-check. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, small electronic
Just about that time. Airplane mode time. About to go.
Passengers are on target. Cross-check is complete.
I don't got no hog head to
Okay, so this is gonna be a long ride, you guys, because guess what? I don't know what's going on with Spotify, but on both of my phones, all my music is not downloaded. So I guess I'm gonna have to break down and pay this $8 for Wi-Fi so I can have some music on this flight. Cause you know I got my beats in. I need some music to listen to so I can, you know, fall asleep. So I'm gonna have to make this little purchase here real quick. Made it, Las Vegas. Turn up time. Made it on our flight. Y'all ready?
Hell yeah.
We'll be
Turn
breaking
up
out.
time to get it in.
Turn up.
On behalf of this flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Las Vegas. For your safety, to the safety of those around this region, seatbelt fastened, seat back and tray table in full upright lock position.
we got jalapenos on there. Okay, come on back. Come on back. You on YouTube now. You going to YouTube.
Let's go. I got a kick flip. Ready?
What's it called?
Kick flip.
Kick flip.
You kick it and you flip it.
You kick it and you flip it.
Let's get it.
Right here in Las Vegas.
The kick flip. Oh!
Where's the kick flip? Where's the kick flip? You on YouTube,
Hey, he's
man.
on the spot now.
You on YouTube. Come on.
Ready?
Oh, man. Come on. 3 times for the
I'm
YouTube.
winning clean.
You on YouTube. We're going to have to get these ladies over here to do some tricks for us if you can't do it right.
I do some tricks on rap.
Okay, if he can't get this click flip right, y'all gonna have to do
I
it.
gotta get.
We're going on YouTube. He's trying to do some tricks for us on the skateboard.
That's my sister. I gotta
Oh,
get to
your
this
sister?
trick and my checks be looking like bitches and I gotta stay on my pivot. A lot of these
Hey.
niggas be acting like bitches. Moolah the mission. Nigga one up in them trenches. While he act like he with it. I know some niggas that get on that witch and tell it fuck niggas mind they business. When my gang send shots, you better miss them.
Oh, phone number.
Wait a minute. we gotta get you
FBE
on-
be my gang super fuck with us. Pass me the wood trying to get lifted. Call me the Sarge the way that I drill them. I fly like a lift. The way I take off on you bum little bitches. My niggas they break it down and they feel
my big brother out here.
Okay.
Don't make me bring my big brother out here.
Where your big brother
FBE, you know what? Chicago, Illinois, girl. You know what? Chicago.
Who else rap? Who else rap? Because I'm so rap. What you talking about?
126. He from Chicago, but he from the
Bring out the bring the bag in the pressure. All of my shooters who good under pressure. Think on the 5, I see you on the sweater. This ain't no 9, I don't slang no Berettas. This fully auto won't change in the weather. When I was down there and getting out a letter, I seen the snake in you, I was no better. I still was trapping, I try like a Zeta. If a nigga talking, act if I get him. All my niggas with them blocks, we gon' spit him. If we talking, you know, I be, hold on.
All right, Chicago.
I don't rap. I don't rap. I don't rap.
We out of Gary, Indiana.
Gary, I used to live in Gary. I'm from 45th Avenue, right by Lou Wallace. Come, stop playing. Stop playing. I used to live by Lou Wallace. Stop playing right in front of Lou Wallace. It's right at one stop
Gary?
shop. I used to live in Gary.
We live for the little Wallace, boy.
I don't know nothing about
We've
Gary.
been everywhere. We've been New York, Miami, boy. We ain't that mobile yet.
All right, but my boy Nolan B. Cole, he know about Gary.
Yeah, he know about Gary.